Hello, welcome. Let's continue. Past question on GCSE 2013 March, question number 14. A is given as 4BC, where A value is 100, the B value is 2. We have to work out the value of C in here, more or less like a substitution into a formula. So fast forward. We know if A equals to 4BC, I can do the direct substitution, or first of all make C the subject by dividing both sides by the excess baggage, which is the coefficient of C. So here I'll divide through by 4B. I'll divide both sides by 4B, meaning I'll be having A divided by 4B, 4BC divided by what? 4B. That implies that your C will be nothing but A divided by 4B. But we know A is given as 100 and B is given as what? 2. So we do our substitution, which implies that C will be equals to 100 in place of A, 4B, and B is 2. What would that be? 100 divided by a 4. I can take it that way, as in 4 can divide this, 25. Then 25 divided by 2. Or 2 dividing this, 100, will give us 50 divided by this. Or let's just say we have 8. If I take 8, 4 is going there, giving us 25. 4 is going here, 2. I believe you know C will be giving us 12 and a half, right? So we have 12.5 or 12 whole number 1 out of 2 for the value of C. Okay. Then if you come to the B part, this is what we have been given as an equation. We are asked to make K the subject. So I'll be having M equals to the root of K plus 1 divided by what? 4. The root is affecting both fractions, so I will square both sides to eliminate the square root. So square both sides. If I square both sides, I'll be having M squared equals to K plus 1 divided by what? 4. The square root to cancel. So now I'm seeing a fraction which have a denominator of 4, meaning multiplying both sides by 4 will give you 4 times M squared equals to K plus 1. But I'm looking for K, and K is having addition of 1. So I'll subtract 1 from both sides, meaning I'll be having 4 M squared minus 1 equals to K. Therefore, K equals to 4 M squared minus 1 as the value of our K. I try to get the answer direct without the multiplication because of the space. So you have to multiply here by 4, multiply by 4 so that it will cancel before you get to this stage. I guess we are good. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.